Kids channel. It's me, Prana.
And it's me, Gyan.
So we're going to do a science experiment again on the same day. So fun actually. So this experiment is about how soaps and detergents change the surface tension of water. So what do we need? We have the messy map, of course, already here. Next we're going to need the boats.
But its name is boat, but it looks like a worm and a shark.
Okay, so
Baby
this...
shark stuck.
Okay, wait. So this is how a boat looks like, shape, and it has a hole in the middle, and it can openable.
It's like it'll be little bit like one line inside, so it's open.
Okay, and then we need liquid soap. We go around and show them how the liquid soap is.
It'll be like pink or another color, but
It's like blush pink shade.
it can be another color also. We
But
don't
in this
know.
kit, it's in this color. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, we're gonna need a beaker. You have it right there, right?
It would have wrote.
Beaker.
It would have wrote as liquid soap. So whatever is that, you can take.
So that's the beaker.
Because I know you all know because we used to all the experiments.
Yeah. And then you're gonna need a lot of water, and you're gonna need
A tray.
a tray. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place the tray right here. Yeah, sit. Can you sit? Sit down. I'm gonna tilt the camera a little bit towards the, yeah. So what we're gonna do first is add water to fill half of the tray. I'm gonna
Half of
add
the
water to fill half of the tray. Okay, and that is definitely not half. We're gonna add more water. 1 sec, guys. This might be enough. Actually, we don't even need the beaker. The beaker is to fill the... Okay guys, so that is almost half of the tray. And next we're gonna need the boat. You'll try with mine first.
Okay.
And yours, probably. So I'm gonna keep my boat right here at the edge. You gotta place it at the edge. And I'm placing it in the corner so that you guys will be able to see the boat. Okay? I'm gonna keep mine a little bit far away. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add 1 drop of liquid soap inside the hole of the boat. Wait, it's moving.
Inside the
Guys, look, it's actually moving.
show the correct way.
Can you see it? You have to keep it a little bit far away.
I will.
Try that. Right in the middle. See, the boat is slowly starting to move right
See
here.
that? Did you see?
I'm gonna see. Look at that, guys.
See that?
It's moving. I'm going to turn the direction so that it goes away. Like that, Bodhi.
It's nice, isn't it? Yes.
Let's actually take a look at the science behind this. So the soap molecules, they become a barrier and they reduce the surface tension of the
What
water.
do you mean by barrier?
Barrier is like a protection layer, a wall. And they reduce the surface tension of the water, making the boat to move away from the tension of the water. And that is how this liquid soap makes this boat move in water. So, let's meet you again with another experiment very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye!